It's time for Lookiero UK Autumn 2020 unboxing and try on, and this is a surprisingly heavy box this time. This may contain jeans, it may contain boots, it may contain bags, it's gonna contain clothes. Let's have a look. No boots, I don't think. Anyway, 3 parcels, lots of rustling. Could be a jacket that's making it heavy. Anyway, let's see what they sent me. I will just tell you that there will be a video at the end with a link on how Lookiero works, and I will also have down below a discount code for you. So open up show more. There will be a discount code that gives you money off your first order if you're interested in trying them out. So let's see what is in here. A beautiful sweater from a brand called FREEQUENT. It's a nice lightweight, it's got a button detail here. It's nice lightweight sweater for those days where you're indoors and you've got the central heating on. Perfect for the autumn and winter. I think that's beautiful. And I did say, you know, my colouring is in autumn, so when you join you say what sort of clothes suit you, what your style is and so on. So they're sending me browns, they're sending me autumn colours because that is my colour scheme. Prices, what's the price? These things matter, you know. It's in euro, it's £39.95. In sterling, it's £35.99. And the brand's FREEQUENT. There's a beautiful skirt here in browns and blacks. It's not quite animal print, It's got some tearing as well. So you can see there's you might not be able to see, but there's a bit of tearing there. And has it got pockets? Well, I will discover pockets if I don't think it has. It's got elasticated waist, it's very nice and comfortable. One of the things I did say on my, when I was signing up was that I'm of a boho style, which means you like comfort and elastication and be able to stride out and, you know, sort of a natural type person. So this suits this sort of elasticated waist, the flow of the skirt would definitely suit my natural boho personality. It will go beautifully, absolutely beautifully with that sweater. That's probably why they put it in the same package. Now here's another sweater that looks really nice actually. This one, buttons down the neck. It's by a brand called Brave Soul. Again, it's not chunky, it's not going to be overly warm. But it's going to be good indoors in central heating. And I love that colour. That's a sort of light toffee, isn't it? Or cafe au lait type colour. Mocha. Not a dark mocha, a light mocha. It's beautiful, isn't it? The detail on the button detail there on the neck. Love it. Absolutely love it. I think that will fit me. I think it would be a good style for me. This is desperately looking like a 5 out of 5, isn't it? Some white jeans, now by a brand called Desires. These are wide-legged. They look like they're meant to be cropped. On me, they may not be cropped. It may also be not the time of year to be getting white jeans, and I have got a lot of white jeans. What I don't have, and I have been wanting, is some more modern shaped white jeans. So cropped, wide-legged white jeans would be absolutely perfect for me in the spring. If these fit, I would get them now for the spring. I wouldn't be wearing them now, but they would, if they fit me and they're a good style. I'm afraid they are going to end up too long, but being straight, I could easily take them up. There's no flare to that or narrowing. I could easily take that up actually if they're too long. So let's have a look and see how they fit and whether I will buy them for the spring. And then lastly, a green bag. Now, if you watch my, this is quite funny. Oh, I do know that they watch my videos. I've got a short green bag that I've been wearing quite a lot with some of my outfits in the autumn. And this is a long tassel. You know, tassels are on trend now. This is suede, being my natural style. And the green is an autumn colour anyway, but it's also, you know, I've been using green bags. So that's quite funny actually that they've sent a green bag. I haven't got one this big and green, and I love it. I love the suede, I love the tassels on it. This is Let's do the try on, but it's looking to me like it will end up being a 5 out of 5. But let's see how these clothes fit and how they can work for me and how I can put them all together as outfits. This skirt, I love the elastication and I love the weight of it. I love the style of it. I love the colours of it. I felt on me at 5'1", it was falling at the wrong length. It probably needs to be, on most people, it would fall shorter. I prefer midi length, and this on my legs, my height, looked to me like it's a bit mumsy, if you understand what that word means. I felt that it wasn't falling at a flattering length for me. So I am going to return this skirt, but I love the elastication, I love the colours. Just would like it to have been a bit longer. These trousers I'll be returning as well because they don't need taking up. I could take them up, but they don't need it taking up, but they're too tight for me around the rear, and so not a good fit. So I like the idea of wide-legged cropped ankle grazers or cropped white jeans. I am in the market for some, but these aren't the right fit for me. So these have to go back. It is actually very easy to send items back. You just shove them in the bag, put a label on it, and it's returned. So this sweater, I love the colours. I love the design. I love the design around the wrist here. I felt it's a bit too big for me because this sort of knit I would want to wear either with a skirt and tucked in, or with a jacket over the top. And I felt that it's a bit too big to be able to do that with. So, and it's actually, although it's labelled size 10, which is my size, it's actually also labelled medium. So when did a 10 become a medium? Anyway, so yeah, this is sadly a return for that. This sweater I thought was fabulous. I really like it. It's a good fit, good style. I like the neckline, I like the buttons, and I like the price. Nice size on me, and it's not the sort of sweater that I would wear under a jacket, so it doesn't need to be, I don't need to be worrying about the size so much. I would wear this with skirts, I'd wear it with trousers, and I'd wear it over dresses. So I think this is a useful sweater. That one I will be keeping. And randomly I'll be keeping the bag because I've just had a thing for green bags recently and I've only got one. So I love the suede, I love the tassels, I love the shape of it. It's very well made inside by the looks of it as well. And also the clincher for me is that you can use it as a tote in your hand, but also over the shoulder. But the real clincher, because another clincher, is that it's actually got a solid base. So a flat base, solid base. Bags that are baseless, I find actually just concentrate all your gubbins you've got in the bag that pull your shoulder down. So I prefer a firm base on a bag which distributes the weight and is less of a strain on your back. This has got that straight, firm base. So that is going to be useful for that reason. When I'm carrying things around in it, it's not going to be too much of a strain on my shoulder. So this, I think, is a keep as well. So I'll be keeping the beige sweater and I'll be keeping this bag. And if you are interested in giving Lookiero a try, my code is down below. Do give it a go because it will give you a discount off your first order. Very well worth having. And I will see you in another outfit.